Hugh Boyd Tutorials on Photoshop 2025. So you want to get your photo. These are ones today, so I'm going to give you these at the end of today. There's not much dust on these because I shot them. But actually, let's show you one with a bit of dust because okay, here we go. Press F, makes it a bit more screen. So dust and scratches, duplicate layer. My quick shortcut is Command U, but you've got your own. No, it's not. It's Command H. It's Command H. Right. So what you do first, you go radius. You do the radius first up to where all the things have gone. Let's have a look. So before, and then you go slide it up until they're gone. 5. I always use about 5, sounds about right. And then you do the threshold and you do that until they start to come back. So let's do about there. Great. Before, after. Right. Now we want to do mask, invert, so then we can brush into that mask the dust. Here we go. With the brush tool. Ah. And there we have it. Instead of doing each bit of dust, you can go like that. And the great thing about dust and scratches is that I can go over this sharp, contrasty area and still kind of keep the definition of it, although it's kind of lost a little bit. I'm not going to do it there. But it does here, so I'm going to do a big general area here of, you see that? And all the contrast is still there. See that? So I can just do a general brush over and I'm getting rid of all that dust. And I'm not really bothered. Obviously, like bits like that, you don't want to do that. But, and I can literally just zoom out and do a general big brush, like wham, done. Dust, like those 20 bits of dust have gone. Same again here, gone, 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 gone. Same on the back, gone, gone. Same again, gone, 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 gone. That's it, flatten. And then you go, you do all this yourself, don't you? 3000, 3000, perfect. Command F, and then I need to check if that grey. Quick selection. So you go contract by 2 pixels, smooth by, fuck, what's my smooth? Smooth is 5, that's actually 6. And then invert that selection, make it white or whatever this is. Right, it needs to be F0, F0, F0 actually. So Command Z, that needs to be F0, 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 which is 240. And then Command back, deselect, and then we can just mask, brush that shadow back in right here. And that's Photoshop. Boom, done. Goodbye, Hugh Boyd Tutorials.